Good morning, student. Today we will help see the total employee involvement. First, what is TEI? That is total employment involvement. It is a system of direct participation of employee to organization success. It is take responsibility. Everyone deeply involved using own brain power to solve the problem, then learning, continuous improvement activity, that is increment productivity and search opportunity to find out something new. That is total employment involvement, TEI. TQM principles and strategy of employee involvement are. That means which points to be covered from TQM in TKI. Motivational, teamwork, training and mentoring, recognition and rewards, performance appraisal and feedback, and last empowerment. These 6 points are covered to TEI, total employee involvement in TQM. First, behavior pattern to employee and organization. Here see self-actualization only 10%, fence sitters 80%, and difficult to improve 10%. First, motivation. Motivation is external and external and internal forces of influences that drive individual and achieve certain goals. Second, there are 3 different types of motivational theory to individual employees. Here we have see the 3 different name of theory X, Y and Z. Theory X means Sigmund Freud. This theory assumes the employee can be trusted and they have to supervise all the time. That is main characteristic of employees. Avoid work laziness, no ambition, no initiativeness, any work, do not take any responsibility and need securities for that. Security means supervise all the time for employee. Then theory Y. Theory Y means Douglas McDonald. According to this theory, employees seek freedom to do difficult and challenging job all by themselves. That characteristics want to learn, work is natural activity, have self-discipline, develop themselves and have a self-confidence. Then theory Z, Abraham Maslow. This theory defines as a good qualities are inherent in people at least at birth, all through later they are gradually lost and believe the 5 basic human needs that motivational the employees are. For different purpose of self-actualization needs, esteem needs, love needs, safety needs, psychological needs. These 3 different types of theory for motivational theory, theory X, theory Y and theory Z. Then here see the different steps of TEI, total empowerment of employee. This C figure of pyramid, first physical needs, second safety to security, third love and belongingness, fourth self-esteem, and finally fifth sufficient authority to playful self-actualization visibility. Then second is teamwork. Teamwork is together everyone achieve more. It is not a natural human function. It is management role in enabling teamwork. Use of quality circles. That is teamwork. Then training and development. It is necessity and orientation training. That is understanding of objective of the organizations, his role, responsibility, authority and nature of job. For understanding is natural job. And experienced recruits need more orientation. Training is not a one-time activity. Then recognition and rewards. That means every employee has success for training and development. Then recognition and rewards for employee. Which employees? It is important parts but best performance of few employees. It is reward teams rather than individual. Then performance appraisal. It is development of employment. Each department head should prepare a action plan for individual of whole year. It should employee reviewed on quarterly basis and report submitted to management. And management take action. Which action? He's got a promotion, granting additional increment, transfer, training. Then empowerment. The process of disciplinary decision downward to the workforce, lower level of management to enable it to skill more efficiently and flexibility. The emphasis of engagement with customers. Here today we will see the total employment involvement, that is TQM. Which point we have covered? Motivational, teamwork, training and mentoring, recognition and rewards, performance appraisal and feedback, and empowerment. Thank you.